Hello guys, this is Anastasia and I am doing this video from LA, California. I came here to visit some of my friends, and to check on properties that we have right here. And I just want to report that weather is beautiful. As always in LA, it's about 101 degrees right now and it's September 17. Sky is blue. It's a lot of traffic, as always. I did not see a lot of fires. I was scared. It's kind of Santa Ana winds every year, and we usually have a lot of fires this time of the year, but it's good right now. But what I want to talk today is about real estate in Los Angeles. And I just visit my friends here, and I want to talk about this, guys, as an example of what you should do when you buy real estate in Los Angeles. And most of the people, I believe, we found this very difficult. When we're looking to buy a house for us where we're gonna live, we are looking for something where we're gonna kind of spend the rest of our lives in this house. And we are not thinking about our monthly payments. And if you are not aware of real estate market in California, average house here, and I'm talking about house in San Fernando Valley, it's where most of first-time home buyers are buying. It's average 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom or 2-bathroom home. It's gonna go for around $700,000. And just to give you an idea, if you're taking mortgage on 700, your monthly payment is gonna be about, I would say, $5,000 every month. So what this guy did, they bought it for 500,000, I believe 2 to 3 years ago, and they moved in and they have 2 kids, and I'm sure that they want to do remodeling in the house and do it the way they like it, but they did very smart things. What they did, they convert their garage to the guest unit. And from what I know, they're renting this guest unit. They used to do Airbnb, and Airbnb, it's usually when you rent your house for people who come and they need to stay there for a week, let's say, and it's usually cheaper than renting a hotel. So they spend money not on remodeling their kitchen or bathroom, which I'm sure wife would be very happy, if they're gonna remodel the kitchen. But what they did, they put money first in investment. And right now they're living in the house, they're getting rent from this garage, and they also convert, it was a 3-bedroom house, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and what they did, they kind of separate one more room and they're renting it too. So what I believe is that their mortgage, it's getting covered by these 2 guest units that they're renting, and they're collecting money every month, and you don't need to go anywhere, to talk to your tenants. They live next to you, and you can choose tenants that you like. But they did really, really important things, that they did not put their wants above their needs. They bought a house, and first what they think is how this house can bring income, and they convert garage and this other room to the income. And right now they're enjoying living in their house mortgage free, I would say. Maybe they're paying, I don't know, I didn't ask them about details, how much it's cost and how much their mortgage is, but I believe that we all should take them as an example and try to think about what you should do in comparison of what you want to do. I know so many people, they want to be their first house to be the perfect house. And from my experience here in California, in the United States, I moved in 20 years in United States, I moved 15 times. So it's never it's never a final unit, you know, where I'm gonna live. So, and it's all possible if you just put your brain into it. Like we discussed, that you need to fix your credit, you need to save some money for down payment. And I also bring importance of good real estate agent. And again, I want to talk about, I'm meeting right now with my friend who has been a loan officer for a long time. I know him for a very long time. And before you start looking for a house, talk to a good loan officer. If you need a good loan officer in California, in Los Angeles area, leave me a comment below, you know, and I'm gonna give you this guy information. He's amazing. I have all mortgages here in California with him, and he's closing really fast, and he knows how to put you in the right program. So if you're not W-2 employee, it's usually very hard to get a mortgage, because as a self-employed people, we are writing off a lot of things, so we're not paying this much taxes. And this guy, he knows how to tweak your income, you know, so you can get a good mortgage. So as always, if you like the video, if you find it helpful, I appreciate if you click this like button. It's really helping algorithm on YouTube to find my videos, and I appreciate you sharing, you know, subscribing, and I love you all. Thank you for supporting me, and wish me good luck in enjoying my small vacation in California. Thanks. See you tomorrow.